I'm Officer Patel, your senior safety officer, and today I'm sharing a story about something that could happen to anyone: the importance of using personal protective equipment, or PPE, correctly. It's his first week on the job at a construction site. Like many new employees, Mike wants to impress his team, but in his eagerness, he overlooks one crucial step: properly wearing his PPE. Mike grabs his hard hat but forgets to tighten the suspension inside. He's thinking, as long as it's on my head, I'm good to go. Here's the problem: a loose hard hat can fall off at the worst time, leaving you exposed to potential hazards. PPE isn't just about wearing it, it's about wearing it correctly. Next, Mike chooses a pair of gloves, but they're too large. He figures, it's better than nothing, right? Wrong. Ill-fitting gloves can make it harder to grip tools safely and might even cause accidents. And then there's this: Mike skips the safety goggles while working with a grinding tool, thinking he'll just be careful. A single spark flies toward his eye, and fortunately, Mike's supervisor steps in just in time. But not everyone gets a second chance like this. Let's break down how Mike could have avoided these mistakes. Step 1. Inspect your PPE before wearing it. Look for cracks, tears, or any damage. A broken piece of equipment is as good as no equipment at all. Step 2. Adjust your PPE to fit snugly. Hard hats should sit firmly on your head without wobbling, and gloves should fit like a second skin, secure but not tight. Step 3. Don't skip any equipment. Whether it's goggles, earplugs, or steel-toe boots, every piece serves a purpose. Your eyes, ears, and feet will thank you. Here's Mike again, but this time he's ready. His hard hat is secure, his gloves fit perfectly, and his goggles are firmly in place. And guess what? He's safer, more efficient, and setting a great example for his team. PPE is your last line of defense. It's what stands between you and potential harm. But it only works if you wear it the right way. So, Safety Squad, before you start your day, remember to inspect, adjust, and wear it all. Safety first always. If you found this story helpful, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your team, and subscribe for more tips from the Safety Squad.